What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike unboxing. This is a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids. And the first thing I gotta do before I start this video is apologize to all the mid lovers, because I might have been a mid hater in the last few videos. The truth is I like mids a lot. It's just that all my friends around me are mid haters, so I gotta pretend to be a mid hater as well. I said things like mids are for people that can't grab highs, which I still believe it's kind of true, because these mids are way cheaper than the highs. But I gotta admit that the mids look pretty solid. Some of the mids look better than the highs too, so this is a great example of a nice pair of mids. This right here is the Air Jordan 1 mid royal blue laser orange. And as you can see, it's got some nice royal blue and laser orange. It's got a red inner right here, quite nice. Gonna throw them on foot here in just a second. If you're interested in the sneakers, there's gonna be a link to buy them on StockX. I'm just gonna take a second and cool down the video because I feel like it's a little bit too warm. I hope that's better. As I was saying, if you want a pair of these for yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Just gonna take a second here and throw them on, and you can let me know what you think in the comment section below. Finally got my mids on here. These are not nearly as comfortable as I thought. I feel a lot of pressure in this area right here. Looks wise, I can't complain. Pretty nice colorway of an Air Jordan 1 mid. If you're interested in some nice denim and joggers, you can get yourself a pair on Amazon. There are links in the description. Just as there's a link to buy these on StockX. All affiliate marketing links, by the way. So it does help out the channel. The blue bottoms here, quite nice. All in all, a nice pair of shoes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.